morning. Welcome back to Triple R Farms. It is Thursday, November the 19th, and I think today we will finish picking cotton. Don't write that down yet because we're not through, but if everything works out, we should get through. I'm over here in the Toggleville. This is where we're going to plant wheat. You can see back there, Mark is finishing up disking, and Josh is way over there. He's got a little bit of stalks cut and he's done. And I got the guy that's going to spread the wheat coming over here, and this is what we're going to cover it with, what I covered the food plot seed with. What I got to do is get this tractor set on the right implement in the Trimble guidance, and make sure it's doing a coverage map when he's actually plowing, so it'll tell where he's been and where he hasn't, so to make sure all the wheat gets covered. So that's why I'm over here. I'm gonna do this, and then I gotta head back over there to the cotton pickers. PA is over there cleaning them out, and then I'm gonna get over there and we're gonna go to picking. So let's see if I can get this done. This is what I'm talking about when it's covering where he's actually plowing. You'll see it painting a line. See it right here. So it's painting that line, so that way the whole field, the map will look like you painted the field, and he'll know that he's done those areas. So that way when we're normally you don't have to worry about this in a field because you start on one end and you work toward the other side. But in this situation we got pivots, and so we'll have to move the pivots out of the way, and then they work behind it, and then they walk the pivots this way, so it'll be a lot of skipping around. And so the guy seeding will have to skip around, and then Josh will have to follow him. So anyway, this is just a sure way to know that all the seed got covered. If we do it this way, he can look right there on the map and make sure he didn't leave any skips, because this will tell the truth. So got that done. So now it looks like I'm headed to Lounsboro. So let's go. We gotta hurry. Oh my gosh. Back at Lounsboro, and will today be the last day. Just getting here. Looks like PA is cleaning out his picker. I think he's done mine. There he is. And I guarantee you today we will be, when we first get started, we'll be holding that foot pedal and warming up that oil, so we do not have a repeat of what happened yesterday, because it was cold last night. I think it got down into I don't know, 40 degrees, but we will be warming up the hydraulic oil and making sure everything is turning good before we get in there and start picking cotton and get a cotton in the accumulator, and then we have all that mess we had yesterday. So that won't happen again. I can assure you, in 2020 it will not happen. But all right, let's go pick. We are done. 2020 cotton harvest in the books. I cannot believe it. What a struggle. Whew. Been a long wheat, corn, soybean, cotton harvest. But we're done. Got a lighting problem on PA's picker. Just tap it. Fixed. We are on the move to the shop. Good morning, guys. Friday, November 20th, and I am over here in Otagoville today. Josh said he had a problem. He was over here covering the wheat, and he said he had a problem with one of the baskets. Quit turning, so that's either a bearing or some piece of iron has gotten stuck in it or something, but I'm gonna check it out and see if I can find out what is wrong with it. Over here we have the rogator, how we spread the seed. I'll show you all that in a second. Pretty neat little deal. But let me check this out and we'll see what's wrong with it. There it is, bearing gone out. Like just on one side. Alright, well Josh is bringing a bearing, so let me get to work on taking it off. I'm out here. I got Josh fixed. It was he had one bearing. Wasn't hard to fix. 4 bolts, pulled it off and then put it back on. But I'm out here looking at what kind of job he's doing covering this wheat seed. And I'm looking for seed on top of the ground. There's one right there. But most of it looks pretty good. I'll show y'all one more thing before I leave, but this is what they're seeding the wheat with. It's a rogator, and it's got an air boom. It blows air out through there, and the seed come out right where those little elbow things are. And so it's blowing seed out these booms and dropping it perfect. But they fold out. It'll be like my sprayer. The wings fold out. Anyway, the seed comes through those tubes. There's the seed. Okay, I'm gonna put this pivot in reverse. Josh has got to do behind it right here. So I'm gonna get it walking this way, and to do that, he's pulled that rod. Well, it's already in reverse mode, but speed is on 0. Oh, good gosh. Ooh, I had to set the camera down. It's too hard to do it with one hand. Put the speed on 9. That's how fast the tires will walk. But I didn't get any footage of them spreading the wheat and covering it together, because all that happened yesterday and we were trying to finish up cotton. So didn't get any footage of that. So maybe I'll have time to get that another day. But anyway, I'm about to head back to Benton, to the shop, and get to work on stuff there. Oh man, I gotta go back in here where the wasps are. But it's still cold this morning. Anyways, it's real cool this morning, so if they're in here they shouldn't be flying. But I've been running this all summer, and if you run this pivot all summer, I've been killing wasps the whole summer, so there shouldn't be any new ones in here, but you never know. Well, it's moving. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I'll show you. But it is moving. I don't know if you know, but pivots move really, really slow. You have to watch that tire, but you'll see it moving. And that's almost on the very highest speed it can go. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but the wind's blowing really hard. But our neighbors right next to us planted sesame, and they've already come in here and harvested it. But some of it was blown over from the hurricane. But if y'all didn't know, now I got all that done. It's time to head to Montgomery. Guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and don't forget, if you like it, hit the thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe, hit that R Farms logo right here. and you can subscribe to the channel. Other than that, we will see y'all next Monday. Out of here.